Hello, everyone. Troy Shear again with Marketing Intel Solutions, and excited to be able to host the Mastering Data for Dealer Executives workshop that's coming up on October 12th with Dan Trinidad. Dan is the founder and CEO of Benchmark Automotive Data. And as we're talking about data, this is something Dan and I have talked about a lot over the last few years is we got data coming in from everywhere, from ad agencies, from inventory, third party, here. And it's like, how do we get that together where we know that everything is talking, we're talking on the same page with the same data and not having things siloed and all disparate and disconnected? That's one of the things that you've really put together with the Benchmark solution. But why is that so important?
I mean, you hit the nail on the head. And one of the first challenges we sought out to solve for is the accurate data, right? And how to put accurate data in front of dealerships. And what we realized is the biggest issue they have is we call it fragmented data. They're pulling information from their CRM, their DMS, their inventory management system, their advertising agency, their third-party providers. And what happens is you have a team of executives that take days and hours per day to try to gather all this information and present it in a monthly meeting, right? We call it postmortem data because you can't fix anything that happened the previous month, and problems change month to month. So we call it the ultimate teammate, right? We're going to save you time, energy, and money just by filtering out the data, first aggregating all the data for you from all your systems, filtering it so we're comparing apples to apples, and you're not getting different stories from each different report. We bring that to you on a daily basis, and you're able to make intra-month decisions that impact the current month you're in. That is, I believe, the core of our product and what we do. And I would more than happy to go over that in our workshop of how we do it, how the data is secured, how we don't store customer data inside our dashboard. It's a really, really cool process, and I think people
an easy compliance fix right there. You don't have any issues of data, so that's fantastic. Well, folks, like you said, we've got this coming up Thursday, October 12th. Make sure you register. We're not too far off now. There will be a link wherever that you are watching this video. And I've been trying to pull that Dan's got a special incentive that Benchmark is offering. Been trying to pull it out of him, but he will not budge on this video. So I will have to just make sure that he takes care of it then when you are at the workshop. So, and I know Dan's a man of his word, so he will share that incentive with you.
I'm actually going to share it with him right now. It's called Dinner with Dan. Okay,
oh,
you have a one-on-one. I'm kidding.
Well, I was but he says he will take this for you wherever you want to go. So dinner with Dan could be, that could be up to like a $3,000, dinner.
Oh, yes. I love it.
Seriously, folks, make sure that you attend the workshop because the incentive is great. I know what it is. I just can't share it either. So be there, get signed up, and I promise you it will be worth your time.
So see you guys there.